Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Dodge Superbee, more specifically the 1970 Superbee. So I personally love this particular car, and okay, this is a very old casting. I think 1994. I am hoping that this is the year they actually released this particular car. So because the older one which we unboxed, the Nova SS, that is also around the same time period and from the same series as well. And let's unbox this again. The card art looks really beautiful. I don't remember for how much I bought, but maybe around the somewhere around the same price, around like 900 or 1000 rupees. So let's unbox this. So I'm hoping that I can just, again, the card art looks really good, but it doesn't have anything else apart from that. I mean, like, it's basically the same card art over and over again on this series. Okay, let me put this in. Okay, so here is the chip. It says 13,944. Okay, then how many they actually produced? How? So they are saying this as a limited edition, but I'm not sure how many they are actually producing. I didn't even see. Let me see that now. Okay, collector coin with production number, fine. Where is the actual number they are mentioning? Out of how many? Is it like out of 20,000, out of 30,000? I'm not seeing any number here. If you guys want, just drop me in the comments. I will know. I will also know that. Okay, I don't want to waste any time. Okay, so here it is. I really wish they actually gave this color on this particular casting. So that would have looked super cool. And they didn't do that. So it is a plastic chip, if you guys are wondering, and center is a paper. It's a sticker. They stick it in the center here. And there, actually, this limited number, the number itself is a sticker on top of the stickers. I didn't notice this in this previous unboxing actually. Okay, let me just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Honestly, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it looks really beautiful, and so I personally love this. The headlights, the way they did this particular car. This is the main reason I actually love this car. So it looks something different actually, like living being. So like an alien kind of thing. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully metal. It's full metal casting, and even the spoiler here, it is metal. So the headlight and tail lights both are painted. Headlights are embossed and painted on top of it, and tail lights are engraved and painted on top of it. You can see the lettering here as Dodge. So everything is metal. So only the interior is plastic on this one. The interior does look really good. Okay, so you can see the hood detailing here. So the hood is actually openable. You can see the interior, I mean engine detailing here. It is chromed out, and it does look really good. It doesn't okay, it stands. That's great. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this car doesn't have any suspension. So let's weigh this casting now. 45 grams, not bad. Okay, so far all this Johnny Lightning casting, exceeded my expectation, when it comes to rolling more specifically. So let's do a roll test. Wow, that is smooth, fast, and I can't even see any wheel wobble. I don't see any wheel wobble. Let me see. That is really nice. That is actually like lightning fast. That looks really good. rolls really, really well. So I really wish they could have added more livery on this, like more pinstriping kind of thing at least, on the top and the hood and everything. That would have looked really nice. Okay, so it has rear view mirrors. Again, the door handrails are like embossed. That like in the casting itself, it looks really cool. So on the rating aspect, I would give 10 out of 10. I am not going to take any points on this. It has all the detailing. Even for a older casting, I am not seeing any issue in the windshields and all. It has a little bit of paint bubbling to it. Again, it's more than 20 years old casting. So, I mean, for 20-year-old casting, this is very less compared to other brands. So, yeah, this looks really, really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.